Hi, and thank you for downloading SEO PowerSuite, the one-stop SEO software. Now, you may ask yourself, what's next? Where do I begin? Let me quickly show you how our tools can help your website rank high in Google, drive more convertible traffic, and stay ahead of competitors. Let's start with Rank Tracker. With this tool, you can track your site's rankings on different search engines, check positions in desktop and mobile SERP, optimize for local search, do keyword research, and analyze your competitors' keywords and traffic. When you first launch Rank Tracker, the tool will pick the most important keywords you already rank for and show your current positions for them. With Rank Tracker, you can easily discover the most profitable keyword ideas you wouldn't have found anywhere else on the web. Just switch to the keyword research section on the left side menu and go through every keyword research method, one by one. When you are done with the search, go to your keyword sandbox. That's where all your researched keyword items are saved automatically. Here you can group and analyze your keywords, apply filters, and decide which keywords you want to remove and which you'd like to track and keep for the future. The next tool in the package is Website Auditor. It helps you identify and fix technical issues that can affect your website's ranking, such as duplicate content, missing meta tags, or broken links. It also helps you optimize content and make both users and search engines fall in love with your site. After you create your first project, the tool will start digging through your site just like search engine bots do, leaving no tag unturned, helping you spot problems in all types of your site's resources. It scrapes not just HTML, but also CSS, JavaScript, Flash, images, videos, and other resources, internal and external. When the crawling is done, jump to the Site Audit tab. The tab lists all the SEO factors checked on a site level. Each factor has its own marker, error, warning, or info, showing if any aspect of your site needs fixing. Pay special attention to factors marked as errors and warnings. Later, you can get rid of all the technical errors step by step using the tool's recommendations. Now it's time to optimize your content and make it SEO friendly. Switch to the Content Editor tab, choose to optimize an existing page, and enter the list of target keywords you'd like to map to the page. The tool will suggest the optimal number of words for the page, what keywords to add and how many, what topics to cover, as well as point out optimization alerts such as missing alt text for images or the absence of keywords in the title or meta descriptions. Let's move to our third tool of the package, SEO Spyglass. This easy-to-use application aims to help you with backlink analysis and backlink research. If you need to analyze your own backlink profile, spot potentially harmful links and disavow them, view your competitors' backlinks and analyze their strategy, SEO Spyglass is here to help you. What you can do right now is to compare your backlink profile to your competitors. To do this kind of check, go to the Domain Comparison dashboard and click Summary. Enter the URLs of your SEO competitors and click OK. In a moment, you will see a table comparing your site with the competitors you specified. You can analyze the sites by domain strength, the number of do-follow backlinks, anchor data, linked pages, and more. Look for the green cells in your own site's profile. These are the areas where you are outperforming your competitors. Now look at the things that make your competitors stronger. Those are the factors you'll need to improve on to catch up. Finally, we have Link Assistant, a tool that helps you manage your link building campaigns. With its help, you can find potential link partners, track your outreach efforts, and monitor backlinks. By using Link Assistant, you can build a strong backlink profile that will help you improve your website's ranking. Launch Link Assistant and start looking for prospects. Choose the preferred prospecting method and specify a few keywords that best describe your business. Under each tab, you will find a description of the method, and in case you don't want to enter keywords yourself, the tool will suggest them. Once everything is specified, Link Assistant will search the web and provide you with a list of domains based on your preferences. After you find relevant link prospects, email them right from the app and try to negotiate a link placement. And there it is! As you can see, SEO PowerSuite has everything you need to rank high and get more traffic. So, what are you waiting for? Launch your first projects right now. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@link-assistant.com and join our private Facebook group for SEO PowerSuite users.